Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Estonia and Ukraine sign drone cooperation agreement to deepen defense industry ties and support new joint production projects. Estonian Prime Minister Kristen Michal and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky signed a drone cooperation agreement during a bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the NATO summit in Ankara. The agreement marks an important step in deepening defense cooperation between Estonia and Ukraine. The agreement covers cooperation on drones and is also intended to support closer collaboration in knowledge exchange, technology development, and industrial cooperation. It will facilitate the sharing of expertise and experience in IT, cybersecurity, and defense. According to Michal, the agreement creates new opportunities to combine lessons from Ukraine's wartime experience with the capabilities of Estonia's defense industry. He said the cooperation would also help strengthen air defense capabilities. Ukraine has developed one of the world's most competitive defense industries under wartime conditions, although its exports have so far been subject to very strict restrictions. The drone agreement expands opportunities for cooperation with Estonia's defense industry and for applying Ukrainian defense technologies to meet our own needs. This will benefit our defense capabilities, our defense industry, and Ukraine, said the Prime Minister. Under the agreement, Ukraine is prepared to export its products to Estonia. Estonia is ready, where necessary, to procure capabilities from Ukraine or jointly develop and manufacture new capabilities according to the needs of the Estonian Defense Forces. For Estonia, it is important to create as much combat capability as possible from every euro spent, and wherever possible, we also prefer local production, said Michal. The Prime Minister said the agreement supports both Estonia's defense industry and its defense capabilities. It is clearly in Estonia's interests to acquire knowledge and technologies from Ukraine in order to strengthen our own defense capabilities and defense industry. The agreement means that Estonian-Ukrainian joint ventures will be able to begin production in Estonia, and Ukraine will confirm the necessary export licenses for selected products, said Defense Minister Hanno Pevkur. Estonia said it remains one of Ukraine's most consistent and significant supporters. The Estonian government said the involvement of Estonia's defense industry in this cooperation continues to grow. We provide military assistance to Ukraine every year in the amount of more than 0.25% of GDP. This year, the figure is 0.28% of GDP. We encourage all NATO allies to do the same, Michal stressed. We are already putting together a steering group to select and process potential joint production projects within their Build with Ukraine framework, Pevkur confirmed. The drone agreement does not create any specific financial obligations for the Estonian state. Please subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.